Adobe ruled the creative world for decades. It was the standard, the elite toolbox for designers, editors, and creators. But times have changed. What once cost hundreds of dollars a year and took days to learn can now be replaced by a $30 AI tool in minutes. Faster, smarter, easier. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a full-blown revolution. The question is no longer, should you switch? It's, why haven't you already? Because in 2025, the tools you use define how fast you grow, and Adobe is getting left behind. And that's not just speculation. In the last year, thousands of creators and small businesses have made the shift to AI-powered tools, ditching Adobe's ecosystem altogether. Why? Because they finally realized they didn't need a legacy system built for enterprise-level studios. They needed speed, they needed simplicity, and they needed affordability. Adobe's monopoly is finally cracking, and what's emerging is a new wave of empowered creators, building faster and smarter than ever before. Let's talk about the problem. Adobe products are powerful, yes, but bloated. Most users never touch more than 10% of the available features. You're paying for a full toolbox when you only use a screwdriver. The interface? Overwhelming. The learning curve? Frustrating. The price? Just not worth it for creators starting out. Small businesses, freelancers, students, they need agility, not complexity. And updates? They often break more than they fix. Creators are tired. They want tools that work with them, not against them. And let's not forget the subscription trap. Every year, Adobe raises its prices. Locked into contracts, many users feel stuck. Want to cancel mid-year? Expect penalties. This outdated model no longer works in the era of free-to-try, low-cost SaaS innovation. New users want flexibility, transparency, and fair value. Adobe, instead, still clings to its enterprise roots, and that's driving away the next generation of creators. They don't want to pay for unused tools. They want to pay for outcomes. Here's the solution. Welcome to the new age of creativity. Runway ML lets you generate videos with nothing but text. Describe a scene, and it comes to life. Pika Labs turns static images into dynamic animations using simple prompts. Canva Magic designs posters, thumbnails, and social media content with drag and drop ease. No graphic design degree needed. Descript allows you to edit audio and video just like editing a Word document. And this is just the start. Tools like CapCut, 11 Labs, and Luma AI are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with voiceovers, motion capture, and real-time 3D rendering. The learning curve? Almost flat. Most tools come with built-in tutorials, community support, and plug-and-play interfaces. You can literally go from idea to product in a single evening, and that's what's powering the new content economy. Fast content, smart workflows, real results. Let's look at real success stories. A freelancer in the Philippines used Canva AI to build a six-figure agency, all from his bedroom. A college dropout in Spain is using Runway to produce music videos for indie artists, charging $500 per clip. A small YouTube channel exploded from 1K to 100K subscribers in just 60 days using AI tools and stock footage. These aren't unicorn stories, they're blueprints. Proof that with the right tools, anyone, from anywhere, can build something big. Even teachers, retirees, and non-tech users are getting in on the action. One example? A retired photographer in the US used Descript and Midjourney to create a fully AI-powered history podcast with visuals. He never edited audio before in his life. Now, he's gaining sponsorship offers. Why? Because good stories paired with smart tools always win. And this trend is only getting stronger. AI tools are leveling the playing field like never before. Time is your most valuable resource. Traditional editing tools eat it alive. AI flips that script. What once took hours now takes minutes. Your video project that used to require 3 apps, 6 plugins, and constant rendering, now it's drag, drop, done. This means more output, less burnout, more time for strategy, storytelling, and growth. Whether you're a solo creator or building a brand, AI lets you focus on what really matters: impact. And it's not just about speed, it's about freedom. Freedom to experiment, freedom to fail fast, freedom to produce more content without more cost. For creators juggling multiple platforms, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, these efficiencies matter. They can batch produce a week of content in one afternoon. And because AI adapts to your style over time, it gets better the more you use it. That's exponential value. Why is this happening now? Because the AI boom isn't coming, it's here. Investors are pouring billions into startups like Pika, Runway, and Descript. Why? Because AI content tools are the next YouTube, the next TikTok, platforms that will define the next generation of digital media. And countries are taking sides, the US versus China, in a new kind of tech arms race. But here's the kicker: you don't need to be in Silicon Valley to win. You just need to start. The barrier to entry has never been lower. No expensive gear, no massive teams, no gatekeepers, just your vision and a browser. And with platforms like HeyGen, Kyber, and Synthesia, even your face and voice can be cloned and scaled. Personal branding is now global branding. The tools are ready. Are you? And what about Adobe? They're trying. They launched Firefly, their answer to AI, but it's slow, limited, and not truly revolutionary. Adobe was built for an era that's ending. Its subscription model, its complex UI, its reliance on outdated workflows. It's not what the new creator economy needs. Adobe didn't innovate fast enough, and now creators are walking away. Quietly, quickly, permanently. Adobe still has its place, for now. High-end studios, traditional workflows, certain types of precision projects, sure, but the mass market, the content-first, mobile-first, speed-first generation, they're moving on. The winners of tomorrow will be those who adapt today. And no, you don't need to cancel your Adobe plan tonight, but you should absolutely test what the future looks like, because it might just blow your mind. So what should you do? Start today. Explore these AI tools. Don't just watch, try them. Create something. Launch that channel. Build that brand. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, because it's already here. You don't need a film degree, a team, or thousands in gear. You need curiosity, consistency, and courage. The next big creator? It could be you. And all it takes is one smart move. And when you do start, document the journey. Share it. Talk about your wins, your failures, your experiments. Community matters in this space. Collaboration leads to growth. You're not just adopting new tech, you're joining a movement. And this movement is rewriting the rules of content creation, marketing, and monetization. So buckle up. The age of creative independence has begun, and you're right on time. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on the tools shaping tomorrow. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every one. Share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Let's grow together.